of Math, Science, Fashion Show. My name is Dance with Mathematical Symbols.
Hello everyone, I am the participant of Science and Maths Fashion Show. Look at my bag, it is a right angular shape, it is called Pythagorean theorem. The sum of square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of square of another two sides. Thank you. Hello everyone, I am Professor Fashion Show. Please look at these pictures. They are father of mathematics and mother of mathematics. Father of mathematics, his name is Archimedes, and mother of mathematics, her name is Letarery. Thank you all. Next we have.
Hello everyone, I am the participant of Maths Fashion Show. My hair been designed with prime number. Those numbers has only two factors, and one number is part of prime number. Thank you.
Next we have
Hello everyone, I am participant of Math, Science, Fashion Show. My name is Dance with Mathematical Symbols. The mathematical symbols pi, theta equal to greater than, less than, sigma belongs to. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am participant of Science and Maths Fashion Show. Please look at the black card. It has some mathematical information. 1 million has 6 zeros. 1 billion has 9 zeros. 1 trillion has 12 zeros. And 1 ruble has 100 zeros. Thank you all.
Hello everyone, good morning all. My name is Suraj, all class 8. Drugs can harm our friends and families, so let's stay away from drugs. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Ronaldo class 8. We should every remember that drugs are best friends, so let's keep away from drugs. Thank you all.
Hello everyone, good morning to all. My name is Manangamba from class 8. Let's all make that drugs do not harm our lives. Thank you.
Next, hurry some more class.
Good morning everyone, my name is Hassan of class 8. To live a healthy and peaceful life, let us all say together, say no to drugs and say yes to life. Thank you.
Next, Romance.
Hello everyone, my name is Ramesh. I read in class 8. I suggest everyone to be a hero. Be top zero to stay healthy.
Thank you, Prahari.
series we want to drop carbons to sow the earth. Thank you.
Stands for prohibition of discrimination on the ground of religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth. Article 16 stands for equality on the matter of public employment, abolition of women from domestic violence, 8005.
The Mother Earth is boon to us. The protection of Earth saves the beautiful life on Earth. So, the students of Straven Higher Secondary School presents here a rhythmic ramp walk with the theme Beat the Plastic Pollutions.
Hello everyone, I am Leslie of class 7. As a result of plastic pollution on Earth is increasing day by day, let us now stop the pollution and find a solution to save the Earth. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Madam of class 11. Art is for everyone. Let us protect our earth from plastic pollution. Thank you.
Next we have Robert.
Hello everyone, my name is Cindy of class 9. When we use less plastic, we can see the beautiful nature of our Earth. Earth is always realistic when there is no plastic. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Tatilma Jesse of class 9. To prevent plastic pollution, we should reuse the plastic that can be used again. If not, we should refuse using plastic. Thank you.
Thank you.
So the story of tortoise and the rabbit, rabbit and tortoise. Habedi sigi praman sa kaino haba matamda noi class na like sa heitre na khala seba heite that means you don't have any idea about the mathematics English Hindi Manipuri ko sumaila ko siya si matam sida kaito ke haba matamda mase nanda ko mase like am hinta nanda ko mana like kita ba sumala as for example dito like ay basiga mo ni se ay ito tanda ko hindi ba ko ito tanda ko sida kay daw ito pamo ko mo ni amana like ay ba amana kita ba niya ba ko sumala ka na ready to have a say like ay balugi manung jing halage ba ko that means mali lamjen yang ba ko lamjen yang ba mi na yum na su yung ba jan na su lai ba ko anyway la ba ne ba ko mase ano na lamjen yang ni ba se sinsina normally Telugu sida mana lamjen tana si hai ba lamjen tana lo matam sida torto sida kai dawi madi tapna sa thoi ne ba ko Telugu sidi tapna sa la bani na masih pak nyong dre ba ani kai theba sidi mo so ko ba ko an jo ko mai sa thoi ne theba sina sa te theba sida tapna sa pakai theba Telugu sidi tapna sa la bani na theba sina usindare haba abadi madi tapna sa bani adu na aina pasta doi le bani aina lamina usana le ko amada tu le to smai le tawe ko ala last di Telugu sina tapna sa na lamjen se pasta pe sige ata sin kai hage haba matanda kasai lari heba anang sina ai lai heire maga ma heda mani heda lai na ne ko hedi ba masina kai da wi tapna heida bani na amadi lai ko bani ama sina heida bani heda mana ibu dai hen besen ngai te na tapna kodara atanda bana pasta ada di slowly steady win the race kangapra ko na tapna kodara base sina lamjen se thoi hai slowly steady win the race ada dia adudi sida makana mali da hajiti kai to ya hajikana na ngre then sina ngre naka ebi sina ngre ko doi sine manu ya ngre next steady kai to ya hanan tamla mathang da di he aina lamjen da masina aina miti da hora galina mathang da di aina amu mago da di he haidana le ko to ai du da amu ko hona da di amu ka hena yanga haida di hada sinya like se hada haigi ba mi se sina hona da di adum hai aduga haida basina tamna hona da su adum ahai baluga mana na hai ngami aina ha ai sini ko handa sala ari asida thara mane na Jasmine sina sigi Jasmine hai ba drup sigi manan sina malam se pugai na manan sin namaga sumai na yung mama khagnai hai ne sinai sida mama masagi tai dok se ho rage ko mama sigi mabing sina ko Asangbi is in her reading room and is busy writing an article article ama haibadi khabar da pongani khangde adagi karigumba magazine da inabani khangde ani se tawnabagi damakta nataga pathopani khangde sigi damakta asangbi sina kai dawi karigumba article ama ini magi like to hungka da and she is a middle aged mother of 3 students asangbi se mamani angang hungi mamani ma se sahimiyai chalaba amani hai and a journalist hai kai ko kawi those who write in the newspaper ko newspaper akoi de nuti ki khabar pari dana khabar si de I ba mido that is adu ko paw khunjani ba mido adu ko de journalist hai na ko ko and a journalist amani ko adu ba women's right activist amani hai women's right activist nupi ki akoi women's right activist ka hai na hajin lo dum ta ra tai ko khabar da paw da adina adara isai da de khangdre ko aduna women's rights activists amani hadi nupi ki thonga se siu da bani nupi ki pangan de siu da bani nupi hadi siu da bani hada adu ki su activists amani hada se tomba han father habedi kana han father ai se lan thoi ki is a husband husband haragtedi kanagi isa husband hasina mapani habadi khange ko tanthoi gidi anuga assembly gidi mapure bani ina hairo ko supportive of the activities of his wife and a loving father yamna nusiba mapa masu oiba aduga magi nubi gasu yamna pangdiba support of biba habadi pangdiba aduga mi amakani hada to ba basa kanano habado sida define lo mini ko to ma habasa dan thoi gina mapani aduga mase magi nubi da magi activities kudimaka support of biba mi amani hena kai ko makawali he is a lawyer upina mani he is a lawyer and a social worker and sama seva over me amani he busy maranda masina sitawi hada sesi maranda ngamba mido aduni he is always proud of his wife my busy damagda masi amsa ko say hada my activities aina afabakra tawramani aduna ni ko sida hai se the two daughters hada masau ne hai ba naga masau si manunda nang hezakari khane masanupi ani gaire masanupa amani habis khanga banada mani masahum lay masanupi na anini masanupa na amani habis khange ko every word kuding ge habis khanga ga chum chat ko habile ko aina hala toisina the two daughters and the son matam ni matuni na habis matam duki ka kai haba duki do in times of need habis matam darka ola ko matam da to mahaiba masai dan thoi di mapa asang di kina mapure bese sina matam daka ola ko matam da mana mami masa adegi mami nupi atau pamda kana society social work section desu ada bermacam pangi
Mike sina tao ng balay ba sa kayo ozasin isa bigata ba jago isa bigata ba monologue to bigata ba
착디라 하우드레나
championship asida akoy principal gi team mamadi oja sing gi team ga angang sing punna sanaba si aduki matik phajagre masi to thola ga miyang tabiu tungda ningam da pokani
tak ngirew itu nami
koy gi ngasi gi chaite copy team se